Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me in this video. I'm going to discuss pound US dollar for the upcoming week starting from Monday 24th July 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. So today I want to discuss pound dollar, and as you can see I'm on the weekly time frame and it has dropped very nicely all the way from 1.31062, which was the level the drop was expected from over there. But I will be going into the details of this whole setup that I'm going to prepare for today. And this is obviously like an impulsive wave all the way from last year, almost from 25th September 2022 on the weekly. So no doubt pound has gone very much nicely. This weekly time frame is important for me because all of you know that whenever I analyze any currency pair or instrument, I find its key levels of support and resistance, and on the basis of that I run my strategy, the Fibonacci strategy, and then I continue my analysis on that, and that analysis gives me some nice decent profits. So right here 1.17911 is the breakout point with me. Right here you can see, let me add one other line right here and it will be further perfect. So 1.17604 and 1.17911 is the support on the daily time frame for the dollar. Now in the last videos I have discussed this double top. If we see, and when we saw this double top right here, just like I discussed it in the previous videos, the Fibonacci just gave 271 pips and took a support from right here and went back up. Then after that I follow this story right here, and this was a little bit complicated because if I uh, drag and drop my Fibonacci zone, there is one level obviously that is left, and that is 1.21353. Now let me tell you that if you are a Fibonacci trader or if you are not a Fibonacci trader, you should know that market never misses its Fibonacci zones. So for the future, if let's say we say pound is going to drop, it is most likely going to take support from 1.21353, right? So now obviously on the daily time frame I am doing it for the weekly. So these are the long term levels with me, and one other level with me obviously is right here, this one 1.23227. And if I consider this impulsive wave all the way from bottom to top, I will have a Fibonacci correction, but before that I will be discussing it on the h4 to find out what is going to happen next. So these were the few things, and all the way from right here I am following this whole story. It is all in front of you in the form of videos, and if you see, it went very nicely. Even we have got this ABCD pattern, you may remember I discussed it, and this was a 650 pips of opportunity. I uploaded a video, so I'm receiving your messages. You are making nice and decent profits on this one, so congratulations everyone. My from my side, what I want is that my audience make consistently enough profits, so at least the purpose of these videos will be justified in that case. Now since everything is completed right here on the weekly, I have to also find out that this level from where the market dropped seems 61.8% retracement. Let's have a look at it very quickly. I don't want to make the video too lengthy because of this week. If you can see, we have got a little bit of false breakout. So if we see, this is going to be a key level in the upcoming week. Remember, this is going to be a very key level, 1.27424. And on the H4, if we see, there is no doubt a very nice sell opportunity all the way from there. And the sell opportunity definitely be working very nicely. If like from right here, if you are my follower, you will know that from right here I'm not going to take any buy trade. Furthermore, if I drag and drop Fibonacci from right here, it is showing 61 right here, so almost like I can assume that the market took that 61, or maybe during the Monday Tokyo session, or it most probably be going to retest that level. So in my opinion, the best trading opportunity right here will be if we can get a corrective wave towards 1.30242, then I'm going to take a sell trade all the way from up there. Now remember everyone, you have to always wait for the market to get some nice profits from the market. You are giving me the messages, and the setup that I gave you for 650 pips, you guys just make 200 or 300 pips out of that, which I think can be increased a little bit. At least if the setup I give you is for 600 pips, at least I assume you should make 400 pips out of that. But the problem is you guys never follow me very well. You are not watching the videos on time. This is what I get from the video analytics. And when you send me a message, and when you say we have just made 300 pips from the setup, and when I see that that setup was 600 pips and you just make 300 pips out of that, so it is kind of like I think you guys are entering into the market very late, and it should not be repeated. Remember, if you repeat your mistakes, you will always be in trouble. You will be making very less profit, just 2-3% per month. So I think you can boost your income by following these technicals very nicely. So here is obviously one setup, 1.30240, the sell setup that I'm going to, I will be waiting for this particular cell setup, because from there I can clearly target 283 pips. Now please, if this is 283 pips, I want you guys to make at least 200 pips out of this particular trade opportunity. And one more thing right here, the word you means my premium subscribers, because they are watching this video as well, right? So this is obviously one level we have, and after that even this trade opportunity can be a little bit more long term for the week. And overall the profit will be 335 pips with a stop loss of 154 pips. Overall a very nice trade opportunity it will be. Plus if this happens, there is, if we see, we have a pound on an uptrend, and most probably we are going to see this break below. But I suggest initial take profits should be closed near around 200 pips. Yes, that's fine for this setup. And if I complete this whole pattern, it will look something like this to you, which is like a kind of M pattern, Gartley pattern. I haven't named them, but this is what it is. I trade it the way it is. Now there is one more opportunity. If the market go down on Monday, we may not be able to catch it. So yes, in that situation the analysis will be justified, but the setup that I'm going to discuss will be missed. So it's okay. On daily basis I update all of you. And if on Monday this happens, this is like what I want from this market. If it come back down, maybe if it don't go back up and it retested 1.27424, in that situation I'm going to take a buy trade. But first I think it should go up from right here for around 208 pips, a very nice buy opportunity with a very less stop loss of around 70 pips in this situation. Now one more thing right here, and that is, first of all, let me make my WhatsApp number visible right here, because then most of you ask me. So one more thing, and obviously that is on the daily time frame. And on the daily, like, this is the setup very nicely, but on the daily and the weekly time frame, since we have got a break above this Fibonacci zone, so people, right here, let me highlight it and then I will switch to the other time frame. Obviously this is a breakout point, and we have got a breakout from right here, so most probably there will be some bullish rally right here towards 289 pips. So both ways, like three overall three setups these are, and I think this is my favorite one, a sell from 1.30190 with a stop loss 174 pips and a TP of 324 pips. So I hope this analysis will help you in some way. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any feedback, please give me that in the comment section down below. And if you want to trade professionally for living, if you want to earn full-time living and full-time income on your investment in the forex market, and if you want to join, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that is shown on the screen, and I am sure enough that if you join the course, you will be able to make more and more and more and more profits. Practice is the key, and everything will be in front of you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe the channel if you like my content. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.